Hey guys, this is Lee at American Spirit. I just want to take this opportunity to talk to you about the 3070 and also to let you know that the American Spirit is our new platform for all of our US dealers, but everything you see and hear on this floor plan will also be available in Northern Spirit for all of our Canadian dealers. So let's check it out. Some of the great things I want to talk to you about is our Camping Simplified features. For example, our fishing pole storage. This is a great place to tuck your fishing rods so they're not getting tangled and smashed in the pass-through, as well as our 3/4 inch bit. Bring your electric screw gun, you can lower and raise your stab jacks with ease. These are all great things, part of that Camping Simplified features, what American Spirit and Northern Spirit's known for. Some other great features I want to talk to you about in the 3070 is an exterior door to the bedroom. This is a great thing if you need to run in, grab a hoodie at night when you're sitting by the campfire, if you just want to come out in the morning and not wake anybody up. Some of the great construction features that American Spirit and Coachmen's known for are all 6-sided aluminum cage construction, block foam insulation, double Asdale sidewalls. All the ultralights come standard with heated enclosed underbelly, 200-watt solar with a 30 amp charge controller, and spread axle design. This is a great feature as well for stability. This really helps keep the sway and bounce down, and this gives you a nicer ride when you're towing down the road. Another great thing that we work on all our floor plans is large windows throughout. So this one, you have a nice door side camp window, so when you're sitting at the dinette, you can overlook your campsite, you can watch the kids play. It does come standard with an outside camp kitchen with an outside refrigerator and an outside griddle. So all those little features that make camping simpler. As we step into the 3070, I want to show you some changes for 2027 and some of those Camping Simplified features that everyone's known and loves. For example, you have a shoe garage. You step inside, right when you step in, you got a place to put your shoes. Built-in drawers, you can throw your keys, you can throw bug spray, your flashlights. It's accessible right by the door, so you're standing outside, you can reach in and grab all the things that you need for camping. Another thing I want to talk about is the 2 private bunk rooms. Large bunk on the top, large bunk on the bottom, as well as additional storage in here for all their camping gear, for their clothes, for their toys. We really just try to think outside the box when it comes to storage and convenience. So in the living dining room of the 3070, you're gonna find some great features that you're really gonna love. For example, you have a tri-fold theater seat option here in the slide that's right across the TV with direct view entertainment. You have a nice large dinette that has a large window that overlooks the campsite. You have your 10 cube 12-volt refrigerator, as well as a large pantry built in, as well as our pet-friendly features with built-in drawers. Some of the upgrades we made for 2027 is a new appliance package. So you have a large 3-burner gas stove on top, an oversized convection microwave. One of the things too is a large pan drawer underneath the stove. So this can you put all your extra pans in there, your cookware. We upgraded the sink, so you have a nice strainer, you have a nice place to rinse, and a built-in cutting board with a cup washer. Every little feature in this unit is already built in for your convenience. As we step into the 3070 bathroom, you're gonna find some features you're really gonna enjoy. For example, washer dryer prep with a built-in shelf. You have a large countertop with the linen closet above, so there's plenty of storage for all your bathroom and toiletry needs. As well as every ultralight comes standard with a porcelain toilet, and in the 3070 you have an oversized glass door shower. So this bathroom really is convenient and spacious for a family. Lastly, in the 3070, guys, I wanted to show you the main bedroom. It comes standard with a 60x80 queen bed with our max bed storage. This is another Northern Spirit Camping Simplified feature, guys. This is a great place to sit down, put your shoes on. You've got built-in drawers, you got shoe storage down here. So we took what was dead space originally and we made use out of it for you. Continuing with that, you've got wardrobe closets on each side of the bed with built-in shelves and cubbies in behind, as well as cup holders. So we really try to think about every little aspect when we're designing these. Like I was talking about with windows, you even have a large campsite window that runs north-south on the wall. We want all that natural light to come in, as well as our sky view front cap. This one, when the blinds are open, you can sit there and truly look at the stars at night, listen to the rain. So just another feature that Northern Spirit offers. Thank you again for taking the time to check out the American Spirit 3070. If you want more details, go to the Coachmen website at coachmenrv.com or check out one of the American Spirit local dealers near you. Thanks again.